First, I want to quickly share with you a little suggestion for how you can shop for your weekly groceries using a digital planner that we here at Blessing by Design create. Digital planners can sync to all of your devices, so you've got everything you need right at your fingertips, whether you're at home or on the go. Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Thanks for watching today as I roast this turkey. First, we need to get our pan ready. I like to use a disposable pan for roasting my turkey. I don't have a rack for this pan, so I have a creative way for elevating the turkey as well as keeping it in the center of the pan. I take a large piece of aluminum foil and crumple it into a long tube. Then I shape the foil into a figure 8 and place this in the bottom of the pan. I've unwrapped my turkey and rinsed it and dried it. I can place the turkey breast on my foil and then grab another piece of foil to tuck in around the bird. I want to make sure that I pat him very dry with paper towels once more. I've got about 8 tablespoons of softened butter here that I'm just going to use my hands to apply it to the skin of the turkey. It's important that the bird is very dry so that the butter does stick to the skin. Ooh, it's a messy job, but it's kind of fun too. Now we're ready to season the turkey skin generously with salt and black pepper. Next, pour 2 cups of chicken stock in the bottom of the pan and place the 4/4 of a large yellow onion in the pan with the stock. Now into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven on the middle rack, we're going to cook the turkey for 1 hour and 15 minutes and then check the temperature. Meanwhile, we can take our softened butter in a small bowl along with all-purpose flour and mash this all together. We're getting it very well combined until it resembles a paste. Our turkey has been cooking for 1 hour and 15 minutes. We need to check the temperature of the turkey. Place the thermometer in the breast, careful not to touch a bone. We are now at 150 degrees, which is not quite done. Since the skin is already gotten quite brown, I place a piece of aluminum foil over the top of the bird in the oven and cook him for 15 more minutes. Out of the oven again to check the temperature. This time we are right on the nose, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's done. We also double check the other side of the bird just to make sure. Now wrap the turkey with foil to let it rest while we prepare the gravy. Carefully, I have silicone mitts here. Lift this hot turkey onto a plate and set it aside. Into a large measuring cup, we can pour the pan juices. And I'm going to add some more chicken stock to the cup. Here now I've got 4 cups of stock. Over to the stove now, I'm going to strain these juices into a pan. And I am adding 2 more cups of stock so that I have a total of 6 cups of stock in my pan. Bring the stock to a boil, then reduce to low heat so that we are at a simmer. Next, add our flour and butter paste to the stock. I use a rubber scraper to make sure I get every last bit from the bowl. Now we whisk and cook it until thickened, and we season it with black pepper and salt to taste. That's it. It couldn't be more simple, and you will have the smoothest, most delicious gravy. Now we're ready to serve up our simple holiday meal of roasted turkey breast, cornbread, sage dressing, and stir-fried garlic green beans. Check out the blog link in the description below for the full recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and have a blessed day.